see him for myself. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. And today's video is about presentation, class. Today we have the Jordan 3 Manieres. Maniere. SB Dunk Veneer. I don't know, but this sneaker is so sexy that I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Shout outs to Jordan Brand, because me personally, I'm going to talk for self. If you feel this way in the comment section below, please let me know. We don't really know about certain brands until they collab with Jordan Brand. And shout out for Jordan Brand for putting a microscope on those smaller businesses and making them blow up. Like Union LA. I knew about them a little bit, but when them Jordan 1s came out, they blew up. Social status down south in North Carolina. They did that Jordan 6 collab for All-Star Weekend. Even though I wasn't feeling the collab, they put their stamp on it. Now, we have Jordan 3's Maniere. Man, when you mix silhouette luxury with like retro yellowing, this is crazy, man. I had to see it. I had to see it myself, man. Like every review that I watched and in podcasts, these sneakers were bigged up. And from pictures, I'm like, man, it's a white Jordan 3, dog. Like, fam, in hand, yo, go get these, man. I want to get into the review. It's so much to talk about. But when these sneakers first were like, we got a release date, they were going for $1,100, $1,200, $1,000. Right now, they like at $4 something. So y'all know the motto, buy low. And I feel like these will go back up soon. So it ain't no secret, this was a woman's release, and I love it. Shout out to all the women shoe tubers that I watch. It's a couple of y'all. One that comes to mind off the back is TJ Talks. Shout out to her. This was an all-women's release, and honestly, I wasn't going to cop because I just wanted all women to get it. But, man, like I told y'all, the reviews were crazy. I had to cop me a pair, man. So, a lot of talking early, man. Let's get into it. Unboxing time. Shout out to a lot of my day one watchers, man. Y'all remember that unboxing time. I didn't use it in a long time. So let me throw it in there, man. If you felt that unboxing time, give me a thumbs up, man. So off the bat, comes with the pull-out tab that we usually see on the Jordan 11 in the inside. And this has a whole bunch of A's for the Maniere. I guess that's their logo, their symbol. This is dope. Dope. Presentation, man. We love presentation at Sneaker Notes. But we can't wear that. The regular box has your nice lavender, purple Jordan, man. And I used to kill Jordan Brand for not changing the box up for collabs or different colorways. But they knocked this one out the park, man. You got your pull circle here, even though you can't pull it. But it just still looks dope. Nice gray and silver collab box with the purple Jordan Man there and the purple Jordan Man there. So I had got a size women's 12.5, and that gives me 11. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these, even though they're so dope. I just feel like if a woman wants it, a woman should get it. I don't know if a woman's wearing a size 11, but who knows? Let's get into the video. Yes, sir. Yo, I ain't gonna front, man. This is one of the best Jordan 3s I've ever made, man. Not gonna lie, man. And I'm a true blue red 3 guy, man, but this was one of the times where basic was the best, man. So let's start with the left shoe. What stands out to me, bong? That A on the tongue. The Maniere A. Dope, man. Very bold to put your print there. Like, even with, like, the Travis Scott's, I'm trying to think. It doesn't have a Travis Scott logo on the tongue, even though it does have the shoestring holder thing. But that A there is crazy. And a nice platinum tint silver. Very dope. The whole sneaker, like I told you, is basic. It's white, but it's plush. Like, this leather here, that leather, you know, see the tumbleness? Not shattered backboard, but the tumbleness is crazy. Toe box has that bounce back leather. You got your gray hits all the way around the shoe box. Get into the inside. More gray luxury nubuck there. Also on your eyelids with your vintage like yellow and brown shoestring eyelids. Now we get to this color here. This is what I really had to see with my own eyes. This looks like they mixed gray with some purple, and it just has that beautiful gloss to it. So it's like a light purple lavender look. Definitely feminine, but also men actually can pull this off too. It's not that feminine. Get around here, you have 2 tabs hanging. One says Maniere with the Jordan Jumpman logo. The other one is your classic Jumpman hang tag, but it's in that nice purple. The holder is even crazy. It's not like that the steel beads we usually get. It's like a flexible pulley thick rubber band. And actually gotta be my favorite sneaker. Gotta be that diamond silhouette, man. It looks like the inside of a Maybach in here. And that's even on the tongue. The whole inside. There you got your purple Jumpman. I mean your purple soles with a white Jumpman. So this is like one of my highlights of the shoe. But you already know how I feel about Nike on the booty, man. And to mix it with the gray purple tint with the vintage look in the back, man. They knocked this one out the park, dog. The bottom has the Nike. It's dope, man. Your right side comes with more color shoestrings, a nice pale, like old yellow, sail white, vintage shoestrings, man. And on the shoestrings it reads work. Let me see if I can get what the other one say. Of course, it says harder. Get y'all to see that. Now I'm curious, man. Now I'm curious. I want to see what the shoestrings that come attached says. It says the same thing. Work harder. This insole has the A in there, the same one you see on the left shoe, but on this right shoe, you have the Jordan man there. Man, this sneaker's crazy, dog. I'm not even like, no cap, man. This sneaker is crazy. Let me know if you was able to cop, man. Like I told y'all, they started at like 1,000. They're down to like 400 and something, depending on the size. No cap, man. The sneaker's dope. You get away with it with a lot of things. Man, I just hope every woman who wanted it actually got a chance to buy it. Yeah, man. This sneaker's dope, man. Shout out to Maniere. I hope I'm saying it right. Comment section below. If you got a little French in you, a little Latin, put it down there for me so I can know how to pronounce it. I actually tried to buy these the day of on a site, and they tricked me with a smart, dumb question, and it had me stuck for that little bit of time, and in that little bit of time, it was a wrap. They asked, what city in Atlanta is the story? And in my head, I'm like, Atlanta's a doggone city. So, it was crazy. But, yeah, man, I still want them getting them from, you know, I got a little bit of sauces. And, I had to see them in hand, man. I think that's the third time I said that. This is the review on the Maniere Jordan 3s, man. Definitely a heater. Definitely a keeper. In that comment section below, let me know if you was able to cop. Let me know how y'all feel about these things, man. I'm your boy C Notes, man. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. More fire content coming soon. Like always, everybody get rich.